Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens on My Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's see how to make a plum cake. In this video you're gonna see how to bake a 2-layered fresh plum cake at home with some cake decorating ideas. This tasty rich plum cake is easy and quick to make. A small note in the description box will help you to make this perfect 2-layered moist plum cake at home. To see much more interesting recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Here are the ingredients: 1/4 cup of dates, 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, 1/4 cup of golden raisins, 1/4 cup of chopped cherry and 1/4 cup of black raisins. Here I have used 2 cup of fresh raspberries with 1/2 cup of water and allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes in a low heat. Once the mixture becomes thick, now we can strain the berry extract. Soak the raisins, dates and cherry in hot berry extract. The raisins and the dates will absorb all the sourness of the berry juice and the plum cake will get a very fantastic flavor. You can even replace the berry juice with orange juice or lemon juice. Prefer to soak all the ingredients in the hot liquid. Cover and keep aside for 30 minutes. Take a mixing bowl, add 2 beaten eggs. Use a perfectly beaten eggs. 1/4 cup of melted brown sugar. Brown sugar can always be replaced with melted jaggery. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Flour for this plum cake, I have taken self-raising wheat flour. You can even replace this with maida, but sieve the flour very well. If you are using maida, you need to add a baking powder and baking soda. Mix all the ingredients well. Since I have used melted sugar and melted butter, it's easy to mix. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of warm milk. Mix very well. Using a spatula, you can see I have perfectly mixed and there is no lumps. It's time to add the nuts. I have used crushed cashew nuts, crushed almonds and crushed pista and pecan nuts. You can even replace pecan nuts with walnuts, but it will give a bitter taste. After adding all the crushed nuts, mix well. Prefer to use the crushed nuts than the whole nuts. This gives a very good texture. Now you can see the soaked raisins has absorbed all the berry juice. Now add the soaked dates and raisins to the cake mixture and mix well. The batter is perfect, thick but little flowy. Add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and mix well. This increases the thickness of the batter and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Grease the pan with the butter. Grease all the sides and the bottom as well. Place the parchment paper and you can see the thick batter is ready. This batter is much thicker than the normal cake batter. Since this plum cake has lot of dry fruits, the batter is much thicker than the normal cake batter. The surface. In a preheated oven, bake at 170 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes. Once the cake is baked, allow it to cool. Then invert on a plate. Remove the parchment paper. You can see the perfect edges. Insert a short skewer and a clean skewer is out. It means the cake is perfectly baked. Once the cake is ready, let's decorate the cake. Using a sharp knife, cut the cake in 2 layers. Make sure the layers are equal. Place the cakes on 2 different trays. You can see all the dry fruits and the cake is also cooked perfectly in the center. Now take a tray or a cake board and apply some vanilla frosting on the bottom so the cake sticks properly. Place 1 layer of the cake and apply some apricot jam, or you can even add some honey on top. After applying the apricot jam, you can apply some vanilla frosting. Here I have used a ready vanilla frosting. The link I have put in the description box. Please do check it. Here I am using a basic bread knife to level the vanilla frosting. Similarly, add the apricot jam on the other layer of the cake and place it. Make sure you place it one above the other. Now add the vanilla frosting for the top layer. Here I am just using a bread knife to level the surface. Now add the frosting to the sides of the cake. Turn the tray and apply the frosting evenly. This layer is called the crumb coat layer. After applying the crumb coat for the cake, I am using a dough scraper to level the surface. This crumb coat is the first layer for the cake. that has to be applied and refrigerated before applying the second layer for the cake. After applying the frosting, level the surface and refrigerate the cake for minimum of 60 minutes. After 60 minutes of refrigeration, the frosting has become thick and it is set well. Now the first layer is ready. Now you can add another layer of the frosting if required. To decorate the cake, I am using a ready holy leaf, red roses and a fountain designs. All these links I have put in the description box. Please do have a look. Apply little frosting for these cake toppers just to stick to the cake. You can use different cake toppers and the link I have put in the description box as well. Different cake toppers such as stars, Christmas Santa, then pine cones. Plum cake can also be decorated using some icing sugar. Plum cake can also be decorated using the fresh fruits such as berries, cherries. This is a very simple and easy recipe. A crumb coated vanilla frosting plum cake is ready. Now using an edible gel pen, I am going to write a Merry Christmas, just wishing everybody a very happy and Merry Christmas. Please check the description box for details of the things I have used to make this cake. I am using a cocoa butter for the edge of the second layer to decorate the cake to give a mud look. You can see the different layers of the cake. You can even decorate this using a different color fondants or different frostings. Our plum cake is ready. It's time to cut the 2-layer delicious plum cake, a perfect for this Christmas season. Isn't this an easy and quick recipe? Hope you like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. 2-layer delicious Christmas cake is just ready to eat. Make this cake and enjoy with your family and friends.